Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap here on the sounds and vibration. Now just click here to the volume button, and as can you see, our ringtone volume is turned off. And just to unmute your ringtone, you should swipe this blue dot to the right side with your Samsung pen or with your finger, that doesn't matter. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just first be sure that here to use volume keys for media you got turn it off this switcher, and now just press your up volume button. Okay, we just should go here to our home screen, for example, and just by pressing your up volume button you can also unmute your ringtone. And also we can do it by the third way. Just press your up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and just then with your finger or with your pen slide up here this volume panel, and by this way you can also unmute your ringtone. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.